53 Ford F100 restoration project, finally have it painted. It's been 2 years in the making. This truck was a piece of garbage. Garbage really is probably an understatement for the amount of work that had to be done. List of accomplishments or list of things done: rebuilt the axle, used the front axle steel, put in kingpins, front sway bar, all new springs, both front and back, rebuilt the braking system, all new brake line, new radiator, new interior, new steering wheel, new gauges, all new rubber around the windows, seals. Gonna have to put in new glass, windshield, back window, glass for the doors, new vent window glass, new fenders, new inner fender wells. That's the original hood from 53. New air deflectors, new fenders, new bed, which is outside, it's already been painted. Still have to do the running boards, that'll be done in a couple days. New gas tank. I have new rims and tires, which are outside. This is just the color Tropical Sunset Orange Pearl with a 2-to-1 European clear. Not too bad, I guess, for my very first restoration by myself. Did all the work myself, all the cutting the metal, welding. Learned some things. Did some improvements in terms of my technique as I went along. Some things I definitely learned that if I had to go back and do it over, certainly would do differently. Just in terms of the welding, cutting metal, measurements, things like that. Again, still have to get the inside in, new gauges, new interior. Have to basically get all that stuff together. Have to put in a whole new wiring kit. The wiring kit that was in there was a mess. This is the original 53 Ford flathead. It's an 8BA. I have a new carburetor that I'm gonna have to change out once I get out some, again, an Avenue radiator. I'm gonna put this together and get things cleaned up, and we'll see how it goes.